All right, this is just a quick video on Nouriel Roubini, who sort of unintentionally became a very, very profitable permabear with Bitcoin. And I want to go through what he did over the past several years. Now remember, a few videos ago we did a video on permabears and how useful they can be to sort of balance out any view that you might have about an investment that's bullish, right? If you have the bull case, you know the positive argument for an asset or an investment, you want to listen to permabears, people who are reliably bearish, because it'll help you balance out and make sure you're not basically delusionally optimistic. You want to always know the bear case just so that you can be informed. So Roubini has been a permabear for the stock market ever since the market collapsed in 2008, 2009. Now he's also been a permabear with Bitcoin. And what's interesting is last night he came out with a very bearish tweet about Bitcoin after it had declined 15% overnight on no news. Well, if you go back into Roubini's history, he actually did a similar thing when Bitcoin collapsed to $58. That's right, he hated Bitcoin when it was $58. Also, when Bitcoin collapsed to $4,000, he came out with a tweet hating on Bitcoin then too. So what's interesting here is, again, if you listen to him on what he says on its face, if you follow what he says per se, you get your face ripped off. But if you follow a reliable permabear and see it as contrarian, if you view him as a contrarian indicator, and then you see that he comes out and says the permabear argument after a collapse in an asset, that can often be a time to buy. And Roubini, he was a very reliable contrarian indicator for Bitcoin twice in the past. Maybe the third time's the charm. So you want to follow permabears, again, not for what they say, but for the fact that they can be extremely profitable contrarian indicators for you on an asset that you believe you have a bullish argument for. So again, I hope these videos help. Nouriel Roubini, wow, we'll look back in a few years, we'll see whether he was once again a reliable contrarian indicator. So thanks for watching.